Maya loved bright lights. So when she connected a battery directly to a tiny LED, she expected it to shine like the sun. She connected the wires, click, flash, dark. The LED burned out instantly. Maya stared at it. What just happened? A small striped component nearby sighed. You forgot the gatekeeper. The what? I'm a resistor, it said calmly. And I was supposed to be in that circuit. Maya frowned. You? You're just a tiny piece with colors on you. The resistor's too tall. Those colors are not decoration, they're my value. And my job is very important, which is to control current. Maya tilted her head. Current? Electric current is the flow of electrons, the resistor explained. When you connect a battery directly to an LED, too many electrons rush through at once, like a crowd running through a narrow door. Exactly. And the LED can't handle that crowd. It overheats and dies. So, what do? I slow them down. How? I resist the flow. That's why I'm called a resistor. I create opposition to current. The higher my resistance, the harder it is for electrons to pass. Maya grabbed another LED and carefully inserted the resistor in series. Battery resistor. LED, she connected the wires. The LED glowed softly, no flash, no smoke, just steady light. The resistor smiled. See, I don't stop electricity, I control it. So you're like a traffic controller? Better, the resistor replied. I follow Ohm's law. Voltage equals current times resistance. If you know the voltage and choose the right resistance, you can control exactly how much current flows. Maya blinked. So engineers don't guess? Never. They calculate. The resistor continued. Without me, circuits would overheat, components would fail, and signals would be unstable. I protect LEDs. I divide voltages. I set bias points for transistors. I help control timing. I'm small but critical. Maya looked at the tiny striped component with new respect. You don't make light. You don't move motors. But without you, nothing survives. The resistor nodded quietly. In electronics, power is important, but control is everything. And from that day on, Maya never built a circuit without her gatekeeper.